I'm back. Don't mind the music in the back. I like to listen to music when I do my makeup. But anyways, today's going to be a glasses friendly makeup tutorial. As you can see, I'm wearing my glasses, and it's kind of hard to do a makeup routine that suits glasses, because glasses can ruin your makeup sometimes. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my makeup and how my glasses doesn't ruin it that much. So let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with some foundation. Okay, I blended the foundation. Now I'm just gonna add some of this finishing powder to it. Okay, next we're gonna add some concealer. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some bronzer. Okay, I look crazy, but trust the process. Now I'm just gonna add some of this blush. It's almost finished. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some highlights. Okay, this is personally one of my favorite parts, but now we're just gonna add some loose powder all over my face. Hey guys, I look crazy. Make sure you put the powder around these areas, especially because that's where your glasses sit. And now I'm just gonna add some eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna add mascara. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend all of this. Lip liner. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna add some extra concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of this blush. Okay, the makeup looks a bit off, but I'm just gonna add some setting spray. Okay guys, here's the makeup with the glasses. I'm gonna take it off so you can see how it looks. Okay, here is how it looks. There's barely any damages or messes with the makeup. And yeah, anyways, that's how I do my makeup to make sure my glasses don't ruin it. Thanks for watching this video, and keep up for more.